In today's video, we are going to cover how to batch deposit in Xero. To begin, go to the top menu in Xero and click Sales. From there, select Invoices so you can work from the list of customer invoices. Once the Invoices page opens, move to the Awaiting Payment tab. This tab shows invoices that have not yet been fully paid and are available to include in a deposit. In the list, tick the checkboxes beside each invoice you want to include in the batch deposit. Take a moment here to confirm that you are selecting the correct invoices, especially if several customers have similar amounts or dates. The invoices you tick will be grouped into one deposit entry, so it is worth checking the selection before moving on. After selecting the invoices, click Deposit. This opens the batch deposit screen where you will enter the details for the payment that is being recorded. Start with the payment date. Use the date that matches when the payment was actually received. Keeping that date accurate will help when you reconcile the deposit later against your bank activity. Next, enter a reference if needed. This can be used for any internal note or identifying detail that helps you recognize the deposit later. Then select the bank account where the money will be deposited. Make sure you choose the correct bank account before continuing, since this is the account that will receive the grouped deposit in Xero. If it applies to the way the payment was made, enter a reference or check number in the relevant field. This is optional in some cases, but it can be useful if you want the deposit record to match supporting documents or bank information more closely. Now review the amounts shown in the payment column. Xero will display the invoice amounts there, but you can adjust them if any of the invoices are only being partially paid. This is an important detail to check before creating the deposit. If one invoice is being paid in full and another is only receiving part of the amount, enter the correct figures so the batch deposit reflects the actual payment received. Once everything looks correct, click Deposit to create the batch deposit. Xero will record the selected invoices together as one combined deposit amount in the bank account you chose. At this stage, the deposit is ready to be matched when it appears in your bank feed or on your bank statement. When the combined deposit shows up on your bank statement, go to the bank reconciliation screen in Xero. Find that single bank statement line, then reconcile it against the batch deposit you just created. Since the deposit was grouped earlier, you will match one bank statement line to the single batch deposit record instead of reconciling each invoice separately. Your batch deposit is now created in Xero and matched to the single bank statement line during reconciliation.